Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have access to change display settings. If not, ask an admin. Once done, open System Settings or Control Panel. This is where Screensaver controls live. Make sure your device is awake and connected to power so changes persist. Then navigate to Display, Lock Screen, or Personalization. Those names vary by OS. Now focus on the Screensaver or Timeout subsection, because selecting that option is your first actionable step toward enabling a screensaver. You now choose a screensaver and preview it to confirm visuals and motion settings. This ensures it behaves as expected. Next, set the wait time. 5 minutes is common, so the screen activates after an activity. Make sure to check power settings too, because sleep mode versus screensaver timing can conflict. If you require security, enable password on resume. This ties the screensaver to lock behavior. Finally, apply changes so your selection takes effect immediately across sessions. You apply the changes and then test. Leave the device idle for the wait time to confirm the screensaver starts. If nothing happens, make sure group policies or corporate management aren't overriding local settings. Also verify the active power plan doesn't put the display to sleep earlier. If the screensaver shows artifacts or never appears, restart the machine and update display drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily create a local admin account to rule out profile-specific restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.